Yo, wanna ride?
Get off the car or I will shoot!
What? Are you crazy? No way! Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Alright guys, yes, I will just show you again. Yeah, alright. Even the roof, see that? So nice effect, right? So that's what I'm going to teach you. Just to show you the mechanics. So this is the mechanics, guys. This is my jeepney and this is where we are going to apply that eject. Alright, so you may want to separate your roof. Alright, so make a separation. So mirror this and yeah, make this one a little bit smaller. So I want you to move this roof, maybe 10, yes. Let's move it one more. There you go. Place a chair first so that all the functioning blocks are connected here, and then place the chair inside your car, or in this case with the Jeep. So yeah, make sure that this chair doesn't connect to anything, okay? So I'll just make some adjustments. There you go. Then move this with 20. Alright, so guys, make sure the collision of this roof is on, okay? A glue here. Thrusters. Place the thrusters upward like this. Add some weight, put it here on top. So let's make it a little bit bigger. You may want to add some weight because thrusters is kind of strong, so you may want to add some weight on it. Place another block like that. So make sure guys, another glue here. There you go. Now we're gonna connect the glue and the thrusters to the main seat. So the main seat is here, P, to eject. Alright, let's add another platform here. There you go. So move it a little bit like this to make sure that the glue is connected with this block. Yeah, place the piston like this. Alright, actually you can delete this chair now. Put a switch. This switch must be only connected here with the piston. Alright, place a block here. It's actually just temporary. Select all these blocks, the mechanics. Alright, and then make sure you don't select this block, alright? So uncheck anchor, press the piston. There you go. Alright, and then check anchor, turn off collision for this. This roof must be turned on. I mean the collision of this one, this block. The collision must be on. There you go. Gonna move it. Make sure the direction is correct, okay? There you go. Move it back like this. There you go. Make sure the collision of this is off. And then, yes, the piston. Make these blocks transparent. Alright, you can now save this. Then reload. So uncheck anchor. Alright, you gotta press this switch first to assemble the jeepney. And then, yes, this one. There you go. Alright. Eject! Yeah! Oh, that was so fast! This block, right? The obsidian block, bigger. You want to make it a little bit heavier. Let's try to make it bigger like this. Oh, yeah. And of course, make it transparent. Alright, let's try again, guys. Eject! Oh, what happened? Oh, I think it's... What the... It's too heavy now. Lesson learned. Don't make it too heavy. Alright, I think this one will do. This will do. Yeah, this will do. Alright. Alright. 3, 2, 1, eject. Yeah! I think that will do. So yes, guys, you can experiment about that weight, you know, to find the proper weight for that. Just make some adjustment on that big block. Alright, what I'm going to do now here, guys, is that I will turn on the eject button and then I will turn it off right away. Eject! There you go. See that? Got ejected properly. Yeah! Oh, by the way, for mobile users, you use button for this mobile version. There you go. Ooh! Alright guys, alright, so by the way guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell, and please like and share the video. Thank you for watching guys, bye bye.